Hi everybody, this is Jon Hammond, and I have my OWC shirt on today. It says Quality Products Expert Support since 1988, and the reason I got it on is because I met Larry O'Connor, the founder of OWC, One World Computers, or One World Computing, down at the NAMM show, and he assured me that I can do this operation to my precious MacBook Pro. And I'm going to upgrade it today with the maximum amount of RAM, which is 16 gigabytes. That's 2 sticks. And the thing that makes me the most nervous is that I have heard that if you are charged with static electricity, you can really do some damage to your computer. So I did a little research on it, and I checked with some friends, and they said don't pet any pets, don't shuffle across any shag carpet or anything like that. And then I saw one video where a woman touched a house keys and that discharged her, and it says to also try touching a metal part of the chassis before you touch any components. So anyway, we're going to follow along with this handy video from OWC that's available on iTunes for free. You can watch it, and that'll help me along here because I've never done this before. So you're going to see me attempt this for the first time. And I also purchased the OWC toolkit, and I went through all the different size screwdrivers, and I can tell you, to save you the trouble of going through all the screwdrivers, the one you want is closest to the spine of this thing, and that seems to fit the screws. So, folks, here we go. And I got this little handy yogurt cup to put my screws in, okay? So, let's see here. First thing it says to do is take these first 3 screws out, are the longest ones. So we're going to do that now.
The 7 remaining screws, which are all the same.
And the 7 remaining ones are all the same size. Oh, yes. Wow. There it is. Okay. This is my original iPod. Still use it all the time. Okay. Well, folks, I'll be back, because this apparently is the battery connector. And there is a delivery. Oh, yeah, well, there it goes. Wow. Okay, I did it.
We can safely replace the memory. To remove the memory, simply push out the 2 plastic retaining bars until the modules pop up. You can then pull the modules
Okay, let's pull the modules up. I see these little rubber plastic things here.
Repeat the process for the top module. You may now reattach the battery and put the bottom cover into place.
Well, those are in. Now, the moment of truth. First we'll stick the little screwdriver back where it's the appropriate place in the kit. Nice little handy kit that we got here. Was pretty inexpensive. Got this on other tools. This thing definitely came in handy. So we'll put that back in its place. Okay. Comes with these little clip holders. Okay. Okay, now comes the big moment of truth. And I'm running the latest OS, which I always update my operating systems. Thank you very much for joining me on this, folks. It has been an adventure. It's Jon Hammond. Bye-bye now.
Yeah, who's that? Now listen to me. I'm talking about you on the other phone right now. Agree to 6 o'clock tonight, New York time. Let's go. Thanks, man.
Jon Hammond here with the great Joe Franklin, king of radio and TV. Big Joe, how you doing?
Oh, not too bad, John. I want to tell the whole world out there, even beyond the world, beyond perpetuity, that I am a fan of I'm a fanatical, avid, ardent, fervent fan of the Jon Hammond Show, which is, of course, on cable TV and streaming the entire world over, as well as on Hammondcast and podcast. And I'll say it again, it is great entertainment. I love the Jon Hammond Show.
All right, Joe. Thank you very much, Joe.
I meant
All
it.
right,
Pay
all
now.
right.
John,
You're the
great
best,
man.
Joe.
God bless you, kid.
So, can I just ask you?
John, you want to close that door?